Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an enchanting destination that's a feast for the senses, Peru. From the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu to the vibrant Rainbow Mountain and the serene Lake Titicaca, Peru is a treasure trove of cultural and natural wonders. So, let's embark on a virtual journey through this South American gem. First on our list is the breathtaking Rainbow Mountain. This kaleidoscopic wonder is a must-see, with its vibrant hues created by mineral deposits. Fun fact, the mountain's colors change with the seasons, so every visit offers a unique and mesmerizing experience. Pro tip, acclimate to the high altitude in Cusco before attempting the hike. Now, let's talk about the iconic Machu Picchu. This ancient Incan citadel nestled in the Andes is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and rightly so. Fun fact, Machu Picchu was built in the 15th century but remained hidden until its rediscovery in 1911. For an unforgettable experience, consider hiking the Inca Trail to reach this archaeological marvel. Heading to the serene Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, you'll be captivated by its crystal-clear waters and floating islands. Fun fact, Lake Titicaca is said to be the birthplace of the Incas, adding a layer of historical significance to its natural beauty. Don't miss the Uros Islands, made entirely of reeds. Exploring the Sacred Valley is a journey through ancient Incan history. With picturesque landscapes and archaeological wonders like Ollantaytambo, it's a cultural immersion you won't forget. Fun fact, the Sacred Valley was once the heartland of the Inca Empire, and its terraced fields showcase the advanced agricultural techniques of the time. Venture beyond the iconic sites to discover gems like the Amazon rainforest, Colca Canyon, and Huacachina Oasis, where you can try sandboarding on the giant dunes. In addition to the well-known Cusco and Lima, explore the charm of Arequipa, known for its white volcanic stone architecture, and Trujillo, rich in colonial history and archaeological sites. For a comfortable stay, check out hotels like the Belmont Sanctuary Lodge near Machu Picchu or the JW Marriott El Convento Cusco for a luxurious experience. If you're on a budget, hostels like Cocopelli, Hostel in Lima, or Parihuana, Hostel in Cusco offer a friendly atmosphere. Traveling on a budget in Peru is totally doable. Opt for local transportation, indulge in street food, and consider staying in budget-friendly accommodations. Look into the Peru Hop bus service for a flexible and economical way to travel between cities. Remember to stay hydrated, especially at higher altitudes, and respect the local culture. Bargain at markets, but do so respectfully. Learn a few basic phrases in Spanish to enhance your travel experience. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the wonders of Peru. Whether you're an adventure seeker, history buff, or nature lover, Peru has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, happy travel.